The world might stop for holidays, distractions, or excuses, but not you. Because you are not chasing comfort, you are chasing greatness. This is not about killing yourself with business. It is about living with intention. Every day, every hour, every decision is aligned with your mission. While others are partying, you are planning. While they are sleeping in, you are stepping up. While they doubt, you do. While they wait, you work. You don't need motivation to keep going. You need discipline. Because motivation fades, but discipline builds legacies. When it is raining, you train. When you are tired, you push. When it hurts, you keep going. Because rest is earned, not given. The gap between ordinary and legendary is not talent. It is consistency. You are the one stopping you. It is not the obstacles. If you check very well, you will notice distractions in your system. And this happens because of your lack of laser focus, coupled with your laziness. What is the usefulness of your dreams without action? Dreams are not fulfilled by desire alone, and vision without work is nothing but a fantasy. If you want it, go get it. You have to outwork every excuse, every fear, every distraction, and every moment of doubt. Success doesn't come from one good day of work. It comes from the discipline to show up day after day and put in the work, even when no one is watching, even when it doesn't feel good, even when it is hard. People will call you obsessed. Let them. They will say you are too intense. Then you smile. Because what they don't understand is that to win, you must be all in. Not sometimes, not when it is easy, but always. If you want to be unstoppable and you want to be remembered, you must wake up each day and decide. Always remember the catchphrase. I will work harder today than I did yesterday. I will give my all today. I will break through the barrier today and no limit to what I can achieve. The mindset of no day off will make you push your limits. Discipline your mind and strengthen your spirit. Because the only way to grow is to go through the pain, the pressure, and the process. And as you do, you rise. You become the one they said couldn't make it. So get up, show up, and every time you feel like giving less, give more. You weren't born to be average. You were born to be exceptional. And the key, it is work harder every day. Greatness is not found where it is easy. It is found in the climb, in the grind, in the fight to push beyond the limits others set for you or the ones you have set for yourself. You don't get to the top by accident. You get there by rising, step by step, inch by inch, day by day. So dream bigger, work harder, push further, and when you think you have gone as far as you can, trust me, you can still go higher. Life rewards those who refuse to quit, who learn from failure, and who chase their dreams even when the odds are stacked against them. So take a breath, stand tall, and remind yourself you have made it through 100% of your worst days. You are stronger than you think, and your story is far from over. This is not just about talent or luck. It is about obsession, relentlessness, and discipline. It is about showing up every single day, outworking yesterday's activities, and daring to believe there is still another level inside you. You don't stop because you are tired. You stop when you are done. Embrace the pain, turn it to your gain, and accept the challenge. It will channel you to greatness. Whatever you are chasing, always remember this. Comfort is a ceiling. Greatness breaks through it. When people doubt you, go higher. When fear whispers in your ear, go higher. When the path seems unclear, look up and go higher. Because your next level is waiting. Your best self is waiting. Your purpose, your power, your legacy, it is all waiting up there. You don't settle. Don't stop. Don't shrink. Go higher.